Welcome to this video on bridging the gap between engineers and clients through AI-powered communication. Our goal is to learn how to translate technical complexity into simple, clear, and reassuring messaging. Remember that while you work in the back end, clients only experience the front end. They don't need to know about complex middleware issues. They need to know how clearly you can explain the situation to them. Avoid common communication anti-patterns like jargon overload, being too vague, deflecting ownership, or lacking structure. These pitfalls destroy client confidence. The golden rule of client support is to combine a clear status with actionable next steps. This approach builds trust, which scales much faster than code. Think of AI as your universal translator. By moving from basic prompting to advanced prompting, which includes specific constraints, context, and tone, you can turn raw error logs into professional, easy-to-understand emails. An effective translation prompt has a clear anatomy. Define the role and audience, force the removal of jargon, state the current status, define next steps, and add reassurance. Use a tone equalizer to adjust your output. Choose between friendly for regular updates, professional for executives, or urgent for critical incidents to ensure the tone matches the scenario. This is a translation matrix. It demonstrates how to convert raw technical input, like a database error, into clear, business-friendly output that makes sense to your clients. In this authentication failure scenario, notice how the AI converts a technical error into a message that shows ownership and provides a clear next step without any technical jargon. For a payment desync, the prompt asks for a reassuring tone. The AI output succeeds by acknowledging the concern immediately and providing specific timing for manual verification. When dealing with critical API downtime, follow the 4 mandatory elements. Acknowledge the disruption, state the impact, provide a resolution timeline, and explain your prevention plan. Here is a comparison matrix for different communication patterns, outlining the trigger, template, and objective for various situations ranging from acknowledgements to delays. Always use this verification checklist. If your draft is missing the current status, the action being taken, or the next steps, do not hit send. Regenerate your prompt instead. Try this challenge. Write an AI prompt that converts a memory overload crash error into a calm, professional client email that follows our core communication rules. Follow this 4-day action plan. Practice daily, refine your outputs, and build your personal templates. Remember, don't just solve problems, explain them well to build lasting trust. Thank you for watching. Mastering these AI-powered communication techniques will help you transform complex technical details into clear, professional, and trust-building messages for your clients. Start applying these strategies today.